Oh well, here we are again. Oh, and here comes the dog. All right, come on. Well, I received a bunch of stuff here in the mail just recently, so I'm going to show you some of that. Then I'm going to show you the Arc 5 and what it's doing, and we'll go from there. But let's see, I got this box, came just the other day, and let's see, where was it from? Somewhere in San Diego, so it didn't take too long. And it's the 0.5 microfarad capacitors I needed. I keep running out of these things because a lot of stuff has all these and I keep running out of them. And I have to use 0.47s and whatever I can find. So anyway, I got some of these. So I got that. That's going to go in my supplies. And then I got two tubes, and actually they look like they're almost brand new, and yet they're new old stock 6V6s. And you go to my little RCA tube manual. Those are beam power tubes, and basically they are used in amplifiers, if I remember right. Used in output amplifiers, and actually even used in other battery equipment like car radios. They said they use those, and true, they were used in those, but they're using a lot of amplifiers. Now, for some reason, I don't know why, I thought I had some, and I started looking at my, I got like two tube caddies full and no 6V6s. So, okay, so I got those, and those are like, you know, these things, tubes are, if you can find them now, the tube prices are starting to go even higher than they used to. I mean, an IC is cheaper than one of these tubes is now. Each of these tubes for the pair came to almost, let's see, 25 bucks. So you can imagine. So like about $13.50 or around 13 bucks a tube. So go figure. And then the big one came today. It was supposed to be delivered tomorrow. And this is 3D filament plastic, and what I had before was just a sample little reel. It wasn't even a reel, it was just a little coil actually of plastic. The real ones, the full size ones, the ones that are supposed to go on the holder on the 3D printer, are this big. And I got this, it's blue plastic, but this outfit here, they make all kinds of colors. So that came, so I'm glad that showed up. Now I got to feed that in my machine, and I'll finish some other projects. And that is like almost 3.5 pounds of plastic. So that came. And I gotta get rid of this dog, get him off my lap, because otherwise I can't show you what else I'm doing. Come on, get out. Yeah, here he goes. Yep, Mr. Lumpy there, getting on there. All right, this is the Arc 5 setup down here. And I'm gonna turn the light on too. Try to get up a little closer. Turn the light on. See what it looks like. And I think that can wash out. I don't know. Bring it down a little bit. Yep, that'll be better. Anyhow, so I have this now hooked up. It's wired in the back through the dynamotor. I went ahead and I hooked it to my LS3 speaker. This is the LS3 speaker up here. This is the one I rebuilt. That's what this one is. This big guy. So I have, that's what it's got for a speaker. And if we did our work right, we should get something out of it. Now, let's see. First thing you'll hear is fan motor going off. Tubes have to warm up. And there's the speaker. If we have a BFO on. Now the thing is, with the BFO off, it should pick up AM signals. BFO on, it should pick up CW. The only thing with CW was that CW in aircraft would actually carry farther than voice communications would. So, and that's true today even. Band is pretty much dead. I heard 40 meters is better. This goes on 80 meters. But at least I'm getting audio out of it, so it's doing something. It's just there's no real signals around right now. And this is like, it's like 6:30 at night. It's picking up noise from wall warts or whatever. And I don't see anything on here that should be causing that. But anyway, I'm trying to pick up a signal, but I don't think you hear much of anything. Something trying to show up there, but anyway, that's the Arc 5. That's the one that wasn't modified as bad as the other one I have. The other one is modified so bad I don't know what I can do with that one. We'll try working on it, but I don't know what's going to happen with that. But this one does seem to work. It's just right now there's really not anything on the band. But anyhow, that's going to be it for now. I'll see you guys later.